Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will create this beautiful donut chart instead of using the donut chart that we have in Power BI desktop. Okay. Now you must be aware, like if we use a donut chart in Power BI desktop, it give us the distribution of 100% of the column that we are looking for. Okay. But I do not want that it should give me a distribution of 100%. What I want here is I want that it should show me how much percentage is still left to complete my target. Okay. So basically you must be aware of the KPI chart. So instead of using this KPI chart, inbuilt KPI chart in Power BI desktop, I will create a donut chart and see against the target how much is still pending. Okay. So let us go and see what kind of a data we have. So you can see I have only one table which says products, sales of that product and target against that sales. Okay. So these are the targets, and against that target, how much sales has been achieved and what are the products. So this is a very simple table, and basis this simple table, what we will do is we will create this visualization. Okay. The donut chart. Now, if I just go and click on any of the slicer, you can see the numbers gets changed. If I go and click on any of the product that I want to see, the numbers will change and so do the targets. Okay. Now, let us see how we can create this simple donut chart. Okay, let me go to the transform data. Let me make a copy of this table. So I'm into query editor and let me go and make a duplicate of this table. Let me rename this as sales versus target. Okay. Let me go and apply this. Okay. So now I have a new table created which says sales versus target. So now let us go and see, just create a very simple card first to see what is the total sales. Okay. This is my total sales. Let me go and format this. Let me take this as 25. Okay. Just format this in a very simple manner. I won't add anything as of now. I will just remove the background. Let me copy this and let me take the target. So instead of sales, let me take the target here. Okay. So you can see I have total sales and I have the target. Now let me go and create a donut chart for you, or let me go and click on a donut chart and let me go and add the total sales to this. Okay. Let me add the sales. Now, if you see what it is giving me, it is giving me a distribution of total sales as 100%. I don't want that. What I want is I want to know whether out of 145 as a target, 118K sales has been achieved, how much is still pending. Okay. So to do so, what we will have to do is we will have to create few measures. So let us create a first measure, which will be difference between the targets and the sales. So let us create a new measure now. Okay. Let me rename this as target versus sales is equal to, let me create a variable which says target sales is equal to sum of my target. Sorry, I just double clicked it. Sum of my target minus sum of my sales. Okay. And what I want to return here is if TS, that is my target sale variable, is less than 0, then it should be 0, else it should give me the target sales. Okay. Now let me go and bring this target sales here. Okay. Now you see what had happened here is it has created the actual sales against the target. Now let us go and do some formatting. Let us of this legend, let us of this detailed label, let us go to the title and of this as well. I do not want this for now. Okay. Now you see if I go and just add a slicer. Okay. I'll add a slicer here for you. Let's go and bring the products. Okay. Now you see I have just added a product. Now you see if I click on any of the product, it will change. You can see this sales is getting changed, the target is getting changed, so does your donut chart. Okay, so now let us go and do some formatting to this. Let me go and click on format option. Let me go to the slice option first. You can see the sales. I will just change the sales and I will go to the target versus sales. I'll just click on this. Okay. Now let us go and increase the space between this. Let me take this as 80. You can take it to 85, 90, whatever you want. So for now, for me, I will take this as 80. Okay. Now let us go and add this total sales. I already have it. So what we will do is we will just bring that here. Okay. Let me rename this to total sales. So I have my total sales. Okay. Now let us go and, add the target. So to add a target, we will have to create a new measure. Let us click on new measure. Let us name this as percent pending target. Okay, is equal to, let us create a variable which says variable, and let us name this as PT. Let us say PT is equal to sum of my sales minus sum of my target. Okay, now I want a return. What I want is I want to divide my PT, that is my pending target, with sum of my sales versus target. Okay. Now once I click OK, this measure is created. Okay. Let me take this target, copy this, remove this, and let us go and take the pending target. Okay. So you see we have 27. Let us go and change the format 2%. Here, let us rename this to versus target. Okay, now let us go and bring this target here. Okay, now let us go and check whether this is working or not. Let me just align this first. Let us click on any of the product. Okay, you can see now the target is changed. Let me go and click on another product, and yes, the target is getting changed. Okay. All right, so let us go and add this line. So to do so, what we will have to do is we will have to go and click on insert. Let's go to the shapes and let us take a shape as line. Okay, let me bring it here and let us go and change the border to 3. So this is how you can create the stunning donut chart without using the custom visuals in Power BI desktop. Now, if I want to just compare, let me go and click on VTT on my previous graph that I have created. Now, you will be able to see the total sales as 21K and versus target is 17.92%. Similarly, we have the same value here. If I go and click on any other option and click here on the option, the target and the sales will match accordingly. Okay. That's all about in today's video. Hope you like this video. Please comment below and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.